Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser. This one is white. Underneath it is a 5.7 V8 with 381 horsepower and 401 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels, running boards, black leather interior, the dark wood trim, sunroof, rear climate controls, rear heated seats, trailer hitch, Land Cruiser V8 badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, a clean set of all-season WeatherTech floor mats, blind spot assist, keyless entry, memory seats, power seats, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, media display, surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, upgraded sound system, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, different driving functions. This Toyota has 7,075 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser, visit us at feldmanimports.com.